Hi, hello. I think this is will be one short video. I'm gonna show you uh, some modification of built-in chart in Excel that can be used for you create a chart infographic like for your dashboard or your presentation using data from Excel files. This chart will be, I'm going to be using a donut chart here with example of progress of a project progress chart. Okay, let's start with the first one. I'm going to insert the chart, select the data, add this as the data. Oops, this is the name of the series. This is the okay. Okay, click OK. Okay. Instead of using the basic design of the donut chart from Excel, we can use this. Click on the circle, press Ctrl C or copy, or Ctrl C, and then paste it. So you now have a a duplicate of your chart. We're gonna use each one, but first I'm gonna delete or remove the outline of this chart with no outline, and select the inner circle first and click on the orange part. There will be the remaining portion. Click on format data point, right click, on fill, choose no fill. Oops, sorry. Click, make sure you choose the orange one. And click on the outer circle. Click on the blue one. Click, now we have this kind of chart here, and we're going to decrease the donut hole size to it look like this. Next, I'm going to insert. Click on the chart. Click on the chart. Click on insert. Click on text. We're going to use text box right here. Sorry. Click on insert. Text box. Country here. Click with the text box selected. Text box 2. Click on the formula. Type the equal sign. Use the progress. Press enter and going increase the size of the font. I think we're gonna use gray of the fill. Gray. This would be green. Okay, that's it's the first one. If you want to put uh, some effect like shadow, it would be nice, I think. Please make sure you choose only the circle that you want to appear. That would be nice. So whenever you type in progress, this is better than the original donut chart. The second one, we're going to build a chart, a donut chart, but now for a different one. Also the donut chart. We're going to select the data. For this, I'm gonna use the series value, both progress and remaining, and the total. Click on OK. We have the data like this. This is the 50, 50%, 50%, and 100%. The idea is to build a chart that not a full circle but a half circle. But first, we're going to rotate the chart right here. Now, just like this. They do not hold size big, I think. And this is nice, 70%. And click on the gray one, the gray part. Click on no fill. Just like before, with the chart selected. Click on insert, text box. Put this in this area. Equals text box selected. Click on the formula field. Click on the progress. Change the font. Increase the size of the font. I think that this will be the gray one. This will be the green. And I like the shadow effect. Again, this is shadow effect. I think add automatically with the outline. We remove the outline once more. The outline. Remove the outline of the unused part of the chart. I have two beautiful chart instead of ordinary or built-in chart. Okay, I think it's enough for today. Hope you enjoy the video. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and share this video if you find this video is useful. Thank you and bye.